Hello students, today we were able to study the science of Haematoxylin and Eosin staining. This technique is like a magic wand that helps us to unlock the secrets hidden within our own bodies. Haematoxylin and Eosin staining is a key technique in histology and pathology. It helps us to examine tissue structure under the microscope by using two dyes, haematoxylin, which makes the cell nuclei blue, and eosin, which makes the cytoplasm and the extracellular matrix pink. RBCs are small and lack cell nucleus, so they don't absorb these stains as strongly as other cells, so they appear pale pinkish or red cells within the blood vessels. In this diagram, the cytoplasm has taken pink color, that is a eosin stain, and the nucleus has taken bluish in color, that is a haematoxylin stain, and the RBCs has taken red color. Epithelial cells are classified based on their function, shape, and location within our body. Squamous epithelial cells are flat, thin, resembling scales and flattened pancakes. Their function is to facilitate diffusion and reducing friction. They are present in the lining of the blood vessels as well as alveoli of the lung. The squamous cells nuclei have flat, elongated nuclei located near the cell membrane. When viewed under a microscope, squamous cells appear flat, irregular shaped with minimal cytoplasm between them. Cuboidal epithelial cells, these are cube-shaped or the box-like with roughly equal dimension in height, width and depth. The main function is secretion and absorption. These cells are seen in sweat and salivary gland and the part of kidney tubules. The nucleus of cuboidal cells have round or oval nucleus that are centrally located within the cell. When viewed under the microscope, cuboidal cells appear as square or cuboid-like cells organized in a single layer. Columnar epithelial cells are tall and rectangular with a height greater than the width. The height is almost 4 times greater than the width. The main function is secretion and absorption, and also it possesses microvilli or cilia. They are found in digestive tract, respiratory tract and various glands. The columnar cells nuclei have elongated nuclei located at the basal region away from the luminal surface. When observed under a microscope, columnar cells appear as tall, narrow and closely packed cells. Epithelial tissues based on the structural characteristic classified into 3 main categories: simple epithelium, stratified epithelium and pseudostratified epithelium, and also based on their arrangement this classification has been given. Simple epithelium consists of single layer of epithelial cells. The main function is absorption, secretion and filtration. They are found in lining of blood vessels, that is the endothelial lining, and the alveoli of lungs. And the nucleus are located at the same level and near the basal membrane. When viewed under the microscope, it appears as a single layer of cells with uniform height. The example of simple epithelium is simple squamous epithelium, simple cuboidal epithelium as well as simple columnar epithelium. Stratified epithelium. Stratified epithelium is composed of multiple layers of cells, and it provides protection against mechanical stress and abrasion. They are found in skin and lining of the mucous and esophagus. The nucleus of these cells are located at different level, with the basal layer having the youngest cell. When viewed under the microscope, it appears multiple layer of cells and is often thicker than simple epithelium. The example of stratified epithelium: stratified squamous epithelium, stratified cuboidal epithelium as well as stratified columnar epithelium. The third one is pseudostratified cells. These cells are made up of closely packed cells and appears as a stratified but is actually composed of single layer of cell. The main function is secretion and the movement of mucus. They are found in respiratory tract lining and maxillary sinus. The nucleus of these cells are at different level, giving the appearance of stratification. When viewed under the microscope, it appears to have a varying cell height and nuclei at different level, but it is in fact a single layer of cell.